How to convert SIG token to USDT on any of the exchanges. I made a video on how to withdraw your SIG token to Sui wallet from Sui wallet to any of the exchanges. Though the process was delayed and the price of SIG token jumped from zero point 0.1 to 0.005 as at the time of this video is being recorded. So finally I was able to move my SIG token to the exchanges. So let's move. You see like I've been able to move 275 SIG token to these exchanges. So let's go and convert this to USDT. Come to the trade button here, tap on it. Here you see this C/USDT, tap on it, then go to the search bar and search for seed. Then once you see C/USDT, tap on it. Once tap on it, you can see that the price have dropped to around 23.87% in a couple of moments. You can see that 0.1 to 0.019. So the price of this token is falling very high. So in case you want to quickly convert your C to USDT, come up with the sell button here, tap on it. Now go to this limit button, tap on it, then select market order. Now enter the amount of seed you want to sell. See, can see here, then you tap on sell button. This will quickly convert your C token to USDT. So guys, this is the simple process guys on how to convert your seed to USDT. If you take this tip and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel and tap the notification icon as well, so that you're notified when we drop another important update on this channel. Thank you guys. See you soon on our next video.